Hello everyone, welcome to the another very important session in which we will be discussing some more important questions and very important concepts for the upcoming CSIR NET and the GATE Physics exam. So I hope that the discussion which we will be doing today in the session will be getting clear to all of you. But in case anywhere if you will be having any doubt, you can surely let me know about it and we will try to consider those points too. So initially I will be telling you about some of the important things regarding the Unacademy subscription, the important courses, and all that. So, if I'm going to talk about it, guys, we are going to have the new courses starting in upcoming days. So, if you don't want to miss them, you can take the Unacademy subscription. This is going to be about the session itself. Here, we are having some details about me, and this is about the community feature. So, you can see the slide right now. So, you will be able to get the latest updates and important things. Okay, so all the details have been shown here regarding the community feature of Unacademy Learning app. Another thing is, if anybody will be proceeding further to take the Unacademy iconic subscription, then what are the benefits they will be getting? All that has been shown here too. Also guys, even now the notes are available on the learning app, which will be helping you to take your preparation to a very good level, along with all the other benefits which have been shown here. You can use and apply the code that's Anjali Live as mentioned here on the screen to get the discount in the total subscription amount. Other than that, this is about the plus subscription. Even now the notes are available on the learning app, so you will be able to get all these benefits and you will be able to check out the notes too. So the live classes, the well structured and well planned courses sessions will be helping you a lot to take your preparation to a very good level. And you can use and apply the code Anjali Live as it has been mentioned here on the screen to get the discount in the total subscription amount. This is regarding the light subscription. This is going to be the slide regarding the plus iconic and the light subscription. You can use the referral code that's Anjali Live to get the discount, and even notes are available on the learning app as I have told you about it. So all the details are here regarding the plus iconic and the light subscription. You can simply compare them, and whichever you find more beneficial for you, you can go ahead to take that subscription too. Let's continue the discussion. Let me just start giving you the questions now based on the most important topics which we will be considering. Done? So let's go ahead and let's take the first question in the session which we will be discussing. So today we are going to talk about the atomic and molecular physics important questions and concepts. So if in case you will be finding that something is not getting clear to you at any point of time, you can let me know about it and we will try to consider those points then. But if you will find like, yeah, everything is clear and everything is like gonna have the clarity about the concept, whatever is involved in the questions, then that's great. But at any point of time, if you will find like, no, it's not clear or there is any doubt you're gonna have, just mention it. I will be considering that then. Okay, give me a second, guys. We will go ahead with the discussion. I will be giving you the questions along with the concepts. We will talk about the and there are even some of the tricks you can consider, you can use while working on the questions. So that is something even we will be considering in the session so that it will become quick, easy for you to work on this part. Let's go ahead. So our first question is this one. If the hyperfine interaction in an atom is given by H is equal to ASE dot SP, where SE and SP denote the electron and proton spins respectively. The splitting between the three S1 and 1 is 0 state is, options are try it now, let me know as you will get it done. You can try it. If in case there will be any doubt you will have, I will be talking about it then. But if you will be able to get it, then that's great. And guys, today after this session we will also have a special session in which we will be talking about the important questions and the concepts as well. Try it now, giving you some time to just work on this part, and you can tell me if there will be anything not clear to you. Otherwise, I'll be starting to explain it just in few seconds. Waiting for your reply, guys, or otherwise I'm gonna continue the discussion. So how you work on any such type of questions, what are the steps you take generally, what you have to follow here, like all that we will talk about. So you can see the hyperfine interaction in that case. Okay, you are having the Hamiltonian as A is equal to SE dot SP, then where SE and SP denote the electron and proton spins respectively. The splitting between the 3s1 and 1s0 state is what? So actually SE dot SP term is present there. What we have to do, we will be considering the sum of both, because how you can get that the SE dot SP part. So when you take their sum and you take the square of it, you get the SE square plus SP square plus 2SE dot SP. Okay, now the next thing is, once you want to get this term, so this is the approach we follow. It's not only about this, even if you will have L dot S present somewhere and you want to know like how you can proceed further, then even you will be taking this as your first step, not SE plus SP, but there you will have L plus S. Okay, that's how you have to consider it. Now SE plus SP. So if you will talk about the resultant S, can I write it the main capital S only, because that is the resultant or the net value. Okay, this is for electron, this is for proton, this is going to be the SE dot SP. Okay, now what is going to be the S? That is root S into S plus 1. So it will be S into S plus 1 h cut square. that is going to be SE into SE plus 1 h cut square plus SP into SP plus 1 h cut square. And the next thing is this one you will remain, keep it as it is. Okay. Now next thing, now if I will talk about electron and protons spin, they are going to be 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. So net spin can be 0 or 1. But if you will see in your case, even if you compare it with 2s plus 1 in the spectroscopic term notation, it will give you s is equal to 1 and this will give you s is equal to 0. So still you are getting the same values, or in general even if you do it by taking half and we want to find the resultant, so half minus half to half plus half, that's going to be 0 and 1 you will have done. So then what will happen, then you will be able to consider it to be 0 and 1. Okay, that way. So it is 0 into 0 plus 1 h cut square, and electrons spin will remain 1 upon 2. So that will be 3 by 4. Okay, this will also give you 3 by 4 because the proton's spin is also 1 upon 2. Done. So 3 by 4 and 3 by 4 two times you are getting, which is going to be twice the 3 by 4, which is 3 by 2 h cut square. Now next thing is you will take it one time 0, so it will give you 0. Another time you will take it 1, it will give you 2 h cut square. Okay, minus 3 by 2 h cut square minus 3 by 2 h cut square, and this is equal to what, 2 SE dot SP. Done. And this is also equal to 2 SE dot SP. Next, see, I have taken s is equal to 0 in the first case, and the second one I have taken s is equal to 1. This is how we are going to get it. Next thing, once you have considered it, you can simply get the value of SE dot SP. The first one will give you minus 3 by 4. The second one will give you 1 by 4 h cut square. So this is how SE dot SP values you are getting. Let me just write it. Done. Now what was your question? Your question was saying you have to find the splitting between this and this state. So to find the splitting, you just have to take the difference. When you take the difference of these two, so 1 by 4 minus minus 3 by 4, that's going to give you 1 by 4, and minus minus 3 by 4 is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, which is going to be 4 by 4 h cut square, and that's going to be 1 h cut square. So h cut square only you will have there. So you already had the A in the Hamiltonian part. In that case, it will be A h cut square as your final answer. So that's our option B, which is the correct one. Please let me know if in case there is anybody having any doubt at any point, we can talk about it. But this type of questions have been asked again and again in the previous years, and you can expect them to be there in your upcoming exams too. Okay, so you should know about the steps, approach, and how you will be reaching to the answer. If in case you had any doubt, you can just mention it. I'll be talking about that. Otherwise, let's go for the next question. Different topics based questions, concepts based questions we'll be taking here. The first absorption spectrum of (12C16O) is at 3.842 centimeter inverse, while that of (13C16O) is at 3.673 centimeter inverse. The ratio of their moments of inertia. So when you work on such type of questions, what happens? You think about the formulae, you use them, you just like consider them again and again, and that helps you to have a better command on concepts, even to have a better command on formulae, along with having the confidence about this part that yeah, you can relate them anytime, anywhere you need, because it leads to perfection. Okay, so this is how when you work even on some simple questions, they somewhere help you to have better command and good confidence. 1.038. Done. This is what we are going to have. Let me know if in case there is anybody who will have any doubt, we will talk about it. But if you will be getting the right answer for this question, you can just mention it in the comments. What is the right answer according to you? Try it now and let me know, guys, as you will get it done. So the first absorption spectrum is at this centimeter inverse. So centimeter inverse unit is helping you to know it's a wave number they have given you. While that of 13C16O is at 3.673 centimeter inverse. So it's wave number, again wave number separation. And we know that the wave number separation is going to be constant in case of absorption spectrum, which is 2b, 2p. The ratio of their moments of inertia we have to find. So this is the 2b value in the first case, and the second one is also 2b. So what we have to do next? Next is b is equal to h upon 8 pi square IC. Done. Now what will happen? In this case, if we will consider see, there are two cases. One will have the b1, another one, let's say 2b2. 2b1, 2b2. Now the point is, even if I'm going to take the ratio of 2b1 upon 2b2 or 2b2 upon 2b1, then I'm getting it equal to b2 upon b1 itself. So even if I'm not going to divide it by 2 and I'm just directly going to put it, my answer will not get changed. So in that case also I can say 2b2 upon 2b1. No. Should I take this way? No. Reason? You can see all the option values are going to be what? Greater than 1. So if I will be taking the smaller value in the numerator and the larger in the denominator, my answer will not be greater than 1. So it means they want me to take the ratio 2b1 upon 2b2. That is what? Equal to, like you know, the h is a constant, 8 pi square is a constant, c is a constant. So I just have the b is inversely proportional to I. So I2 upon I1. Done. So in this case, what will happen? It's going to be 2b1 upon 2b2. This is this upon this. Done. And that is the ratio of moment of inertia as you will be getting. So it will be 1 point approximate the value given in option C. And that's how you're reaching to the final answer. Tell me if in case there is anybody having any doubt, we can talk about it then. But if it is getting clear, then that's great. We'll go for the next one. Tell me if there is any doubt. Here is the next question, which will be similar to the previous question we have done. But if you got the concept of the first one, we have solved it here in the session. You will simply be able to work on this question too. Try it now and let me know as you will get it done. Since we have worked on the first question, which was similar kind of, so you will now have the idea about what steps can be taken to solve it and how to proceed further. So you can do that and let me know if in case there will be any doubt anybody will have. We will be talking about it then. Otherwise, just proceed further and let me know what will be the right answer according to you. And if there is any doubt or difficulty you will have, you can even mention it. I'm gonna wait for your reply for some time. So you can see right now you are gonna have the L dot S term present here. What you can do then, you will be starting working on it with the L plus S whole square like we have done in the first case. And once you will do that, you will be going ahead by considering L square plus S square plus 2L dot S. Okay, and then you will be getting L dot S value from there. And you can see the spectroscopic terms they have given you are 2p 3 by 2 and 2p 1 by 2. So depending on that, you can get the L and S values. Like for p orbital, what will be the L value? Okay, like that. And then S, 2s plus 1, you can do the comparison with the 2 because that's 2p 3 by 2 notation and 2p 1 by 2 notation you are having. So once you're going to do that, you will be getting S and L. And another part is once you got it, you have to consider the splitting between the levels. So that's how like it will be whatever two energies you will get corresponding to the respective term values, you will be taking their difference, and that's how you will be able to get the answer. Okay, if in case still there will be any doubt or difficulty anybody will have, we can talk about it. Let me know. Otherwise, if it's getting clear, that's great. You can mention your answer, or otherwise I'll be telling you what will be the right answer then. But it's exactly in the same way how we worked on this part, just at place of SE and SP you will be having LNS. Try. Still gonna wait for your reply. Other than like this, I'll be telling you the right answer in just some time, but waiting for the answer from your side first of all. Let me know what will be the right answer according to you. Whatever is the right answer according to you guys, you can just mention it. Okay guys, after taking all these steps, you will be getting the answer same as given in option A, and that is 3 by 2 ah squared square. If in case there is anybody having any doubt, you can have a look at the steps I'm going to take here and tell me if still you find that something is not clear to you. We can talk about it. L square plus S square plus 2L dot S. This is going to be L plus S is J, so J square. You are having the two different J values given to you in the two spectroscopic terms. L square plus S square plus 2L dot S. Next is J into J plus 1 H squared square. Okay, L into L plus 1 H squared square plus S into S plus 1 H squared square plus 2L dot S. Next thing, consider L dot S. Done. That's going to be, just take this in the minus this other side divide by 2, and this is how you are getting the values. You can take the JLS values with the terms which have been given to you here. So from these terms you can get those values. This is how you will be getting option A to be correct, which is 3 by 2 ah square at the end. Rest of the calculation process will be same as we have done in question number 1. But still, if you're gonna find something is not clear, just tell me. I can talk about that. We can discuss it again. Let me just give you the next question now. It's here. The spectral line This is Tesla into three components separated by Try it now and let me know as you will get it done. If in case there will be anybody having any doubt, we can talk about it. We will be considering that too. But giving you some time to work on this part right now. So the spectral line corresponding to an atomic transition from J is equal to 1 to J is equal to 0 states splits in a magnetic field of 0.1 Tesla into three components. So there are two things. There is going to be a, like, let's say normal G-man effect, and the other one is the anomalous G-man effect. So when you consider the weak magnetic field, okay, like 0.1 Tesla is given to you, and the splitting is taking place either just in three components or more than three components. These are the two situations. In first case, the three components, and the other one more than three. So when it takes place in the three components, in that case, what will happen? It's going to be, let's say, when it takes place in three components, it's a normal G-man effect. When it takes place in more than three components, it's an anomalous G-man effect. So when we will be talking about the normal G-man effect, our Lambda G factor value will be 1 corresponding to that. Because the spin value, if you will consider, it will be like 0. In that case, normal G-man effect and anomalous spin will be non-zero. So 2s plus 1 is equal to 1 you get here. And also guys, with the Lambda G factor formula, which is gonna have the G1 plus, okay, J into J plus 1 plus S into S plus 1 minus L into L plus 1 upon the 2J into J plus 1, like that you are having the exact formula form. So in that case, what happens? Your second term having the JLS in it, it becomes 0. And that's how you just get the value 1 in case of normal G-man effect. So if you know the Lambda G factor formula, you just have to put those values. You just have to see the Lambda G factor value you are getting, and that gives you the option C to be the correct one. Tell me if in case there is anybody having any doubt, we can talk about it then. And if everything is clear, that's great, great, great. I'll be giving you the next question now. But if anybody is there who is having doubt or difficulty in any concept we have considered till now, you can let me know about it. We can consider that. But if everything is clear, here is the next question for you. How much does the total angular momentum quantum Try it now and let me know as you will get it done. If in case there will be any doubt or you don't know about the steps, I'm just going to explain them in some time. So initially you can try to work on it and see whether you can get the answer or not, and then I'll be considering it too. So they have given how much does the total angular momentum quantum number J change in the transition of chromium 3d6 atoms as it ionized to chromium 2 positive. Now it becomes 3d4 this way. So whatever change will be there in the total angular momentum quantum number, it will be same, okay, uh, for the ground state spectroscopic term as well. So what we do in this case, also you can observe that D6 and D4 are the inverted multiplets of each other. And what is the concept of inverted multiplets? That the total number of spectroscopic terms will be same for the inverted multiplets, while their ground state spectroscopic term can be different, but total number of spectroscopic terms will be same for them. Okay, now the next thing, if we are going to talk about the next one here, so that is when you go for finding the ground state spectroscopic term, you can either go with the detailed method of finding it, or you can use the trick. So as per the trick, you can see that it's the d orbital. So spdf, total number of electrons you can have in the d orbital are 10. So let's make just the 5 boxes or the partitions here. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and how many electrons you need to fill there, like for d6 and d4 separately you can do, or you can just write the common values like 3, 4, 5, 6, or just take it for 4. That's going to be, I will be showing you for both of them. The only difference will be one is less than half filled, another one is more than half filled, and that's how you just have to consider it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, done. So if you will talk about summation, see, this is going to be ml value. I will write here plus 2 plus 1 0 minus 1 minus 2, again ml value plus 2 plus 1 0 minus 1 minus 2, and spin values, that is ms values on top we can write. So it's going to be plus half minus half plus half plus half plus half plus half, this one plus half plus half plus half, and then last one same plus half. So summation ms here will be 4 by 2, which is 2. Summation ml here will be 1 and minus 1 0 and then 2. In this case summation ms will be 4 by 2 because half and minus half will get cancelled out, which is 2 only. And this is going to give you 0, is it? So no, plus 2 2 times, so it will give you ml is equal to 2. So you can see values are same. Why? Because these are the inverted multiplets you have taken. The first one was d6, the second one was d4. So both are inverted multiplets of each other, and that means our total number of spectroscopic terms will be same. But we are not working on finding the total number of spectroscopic terms right now. We are working on considering the ground state spectroscopic term. So this trick or the way we are working on it will only be helping you to find the ground state spectroscopic term. You will treat it as S, you will treat it as L. Excuse me. Okay, so J is equal to L minus S to L plus S, which is going to be 2 minus 2 to 2 plus 2, which is 0 1 2 3 4. Same way here, J is equal to L minus S to L plus S, which is going to be 0 1 2 3 4. Now next thing, if we are going to talk about the next one, that's going to be 2s plus 1 lj. That is a spectroscopic term notation. This was d6, which is more than half filled. This is d4, which is less than half filled. So lowest J value for the second case gives you the lowest energy, and the above one d6 largest J value will give you the largest lowest energy. So this J value will have the lowest energy, this J value will have the lowest energy corresponding to it. Now you can see initially you had the d6 and now it has been converted to d4. So how the j value has been changed, angular momentum, it has been decreased. So 4 it was and now it is 0, so it has been decreased by 4, which is your option C, which is going to be the correct one. Please tell me, is it all right and clear to everyone or not? But in case if there is anybody having any doubt, we will be talking about it or we will be considering it. Now let's take the next question here. You can have a look at the previous slide information once and tell me if in case any step is not clear to you or anywhere there is any doubt, we can talk about it then. Try, 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 try. Next one is try it now and let me know what will be the right answer according to you guys. We will be trying to consider it then, but if everything is clear, that's great. Waiting for your reply, and then just in some time I will be continuing the discussion too. Waiting for your reply. Let me know what is the right answer. See, if the leading enharmonic correction to the energy of nth vibrational level of a diatomic molecule is this, so this is enharmonic correction term given to you. In general, the energy will be n plus half h cut omega for the harmonic case, but you will have to consider this negative of this part there. You have to just add it, means with the negative sign. So total energy total number of energy levels you want to find. Means if you will find the maximum value of n, that will be your total number of energy levels. So what you have to do, the total energy you will be having, E is equal to n plus half h squared omega minus zeta E, n plus half square h squared omega. In that case, you will be just differentiating it with respect to n, equate it with 0, get the value of n from there. This is how you will be able to get it. Okay, that's what you have to follow. I'm even going to show you by writing some of the steps here. If you are going to have any kind of confusion, you can get it easily. N plus half h squared omega minus, what is the energy given here, like correction term, n plus half square h squared omega. What next? The next thing is just differentiate it with respect to n. So equate it with 0 after this, whatever you will get the value of n from here. This is going to be your maximum value of n, which will be giving you the largest value or the maximum value. Hence this is the going to be the what number of energy levels possible, the total number of energy levels which are possible. That's how you can get it. Let me know if in case there is anybody having any doubt, we can talk about that. But if everything is clear, that's great. So it's option A, which is the correct option you will have here. You get the 500. Next question. If in case in any question you are having any doubt, just mention it. We will be talking about it then. Which is the ground state? That's the question. Options are 3p0, 1s0, 3p2, 3p1. These are the different options we are having. You can start working on it and let me know what is the right answer you will have according to this given question. If you will not be getting it, I'll be helping you in that case. Of the following term symbols of the NP2 atomic configurations, 1 is 0, 3p0, 3p1, 3p2 and 1d2, which is the ground state. So basically p2 is what? Less than half filled case, because in p orbital we can have a maximum 6 electrons, but right now it's 2, which is less than half filled. So in that case, what will happen? You will be considering the lowest J value will have the lowest energy. But other than that, you can see that there are SPD3 notations you are having. So our first statement of Hund's rules is the largest 2s plus 1 value will have the lowest energy. So here you can see you are having 3p0, 3p1 and 3p2 with the largest 2s plus 1 value. Other than that, you will be considering The next part, that is largest L value, will have the lowest energy. So once you have shortlisted that okay, it can be 3p0, 3p1 and 3p2, the next thing you have to consider is the L values are same for all three. So what we have to do next, the next thing will be you have to consider the lowest J value will have the lowest energy, so it will be 3p0, which will be your right answer. So how you are getting, firstly you consider the first rule, okay, for the 2s plus 1, second then L, then J, and that's how you reach to the final conclusion, which gives you the 3p0 as your final answer, which is option A. So that's how, even if you once you get to know about the rules, it becomes easy for you to get the answer and to work on any such type of questions. Let me just give you the last one for this session. So to solve this question, you just have to focus on the given information in the question. Just have a look at that and let me know if you can get the final answer, or if in case there will be any doubt or difficulty we will talk about it then. Waiting for your reply, and then just in some time I will be discussing it too. If in case you're gonna have any doubt or difficulty or you are not able to get it. So, the vibrational energy and the rotational energy, both the expressions have been given here. So, V is less than equal to 1 only allowed, means 0 and 1, two values are allowed here. J is less than equal to 2. J is equal to 0, 1 and 2. Three values are allowed. But the transition for the V which can take place is corresponding to the plus minus 1 value, which is 0 to 1 only you can have. And in case of J, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, two possible values you will have. So if you will find the difference between the energies of vibrational energy case for 0 and 1, it will be giving you 0 plus half half and 1 plus half 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus half will be 1 upon 2. Sorry, 1 h squared omega, not 1 upon 2. So h squared omega, you got the difference between the energies for V is equal to 0 and 1. And J is equal to 0 and 1. If you will take, it will give you 0 and 1 case, that is 2b. Okay, 2b you will get there. Once you, sorry, yeah, 2b you will get there. And 1 to 2 will give you 2 3s are 6, and 1 will give you 2, so that is 4b. So 4b is greater, so that's how you will say, okay, h squared omega plus 4b, which is option C, is the correct one. This is how you will be getting it. Let me know if in case there is anybody having any doubt, we can talk about it. But if everything is clear, that's great. We will be keeping it this much in this session right now. Okay, if in case there is anybody having any doubt, let me know. But if everything is clear, that's great. So guys, I hope each and everything we talked about in the session is clear to every one of you. But in case if you will be having any doubt, you can surely let me know about it. We will consider that part. And the important details about the iconic subscription, the plus subscription, and the light subscription have been shown here. So you can easily have a look at the difference between the different subscriptions, and you can get an idea about which one you find more beneficial for you. Accordingly, you can proceed further to take the subscription. Even in upcoming days, so many new courses by the top educators will be starting on Unacademy, which will be helping you to take your preparation to the next level under the guidance of top educators. One more thing, guys, that whenever you will proceed further to take the subscription, use and apply the code Anjali Live as mentioned here on the screen to get the discount in the total subscription amount. Okay, I hope each and everything is now clear to all of you guys. Thank you so much everyone for joining this session and for attending it till the end. Thank you. And let me know if there is something not clear to you. We will talk about it in